What if autism wasn't just one condition, but several different types? Imagine if doctors and researchers had a giant map showing which autism treatments work best for each person. What if scientists could remove the very cause of Down syndrome at the cellular level? Could poor sleep be fueling ADHD? The FDA just issued a major safety update about. Welcome back to Rainbow Rays, a show where we shine a light on the incredible achievements, breakthroughs, and positive changes in the special needs community. I am Naveen, and today we have got some amazing stories lined up from cutting edge science to inspiring success stories. So let's dive right in. What if autism wasn't just one condition, but several different types, each with its own unique traits? A new discovery may change the way we understand autism forever. A new study from Princeton and the Simons Foundation, published in Nature Genetics, analyzed data from more than 5,000 children. They uncovered 4 biologically distinct autism subtypes, ranging from those with strong social and behavioral challenges to those with developmental delays and those with moderate traits. By connecting each subtype to unique genetic pathways, researchers are paving the way for personalized autism care so every individual can get the right support at the right time. And speaking of a better care, what if doctors had a map to know exactly which treatments work best? Imagine if doctors and researchers had a giant map showing which autism treatments work best for each person. The future just became real. On May 7th, the US Department of Health and Human Services launched a new autism data platform. This massive privacy-protected database combines Medicare and Medicaid records for autism patients. It will help researchers spot treatment patterns, regional gaps, and long-term outcomes, so evidence-based policies can finally guide the care millions of families rely on. But catching autism early can be just as important. And that's where our next stories comes in. Spotting autism early can change a child's whole future. Now, a powerful program is giving everyday doctors the tools to catch the signs sooner than ever. Eco Autism has trained primary care doctors to use structured observation tools for toddlers. This year, it expanded into more countries, including Canada, Ecuador, and Jamaica. That means earlier diagnosis, quicker referrals, and children getting help during the brain's most flexible years, truly a life-changing. Our next story, from autism to ADHD, another big step forward is happening in children's healthcare. Parents of children with ADHD, take a note. The FDA just issued a major safety update about common ADHD medications. New warning labels now explain the risks of extended release stimulants, including appetite loss and growth delays in young children. The changes also highlight side effects in adults, especially after recent medication shortages. This gives families and doctors the knowledge they need to make safer choices, while reforms aim to prevent future shortages. But did you know that ADHD may have just as much as to do with the sleep as it does with focus? A new study in sleep medicine shows adults with ADHD symptoms are twice as likely to suffer from chronic insomnia. Even better, treating sleep problems improved ADHD symptoms significantly. This opens up a new medication treatment options, helping people rest better and live better. And you think yet there is still one group often overlooked in ADHD care? Of course, women. For many women, ADHD has been hiding in plain sight. Now, researchers are uncovering why so many girls and women go undiagnosed. According to American Psychological Association, nearly 14% of adults with ADHD remain undiagnosed. Many of them are women. Why? Because inattentive symptoms are subtler and many women mask them. Awareness campaigns and new screening guidelines are now addressing this gap, ensuring women and girls are finally getting the diagnosis and support they deserve. Coming to our next topic, where groundbreaking science is rewriting the what's possible. What if scientists could remove the very cause of Down syndrome at the cellular level? A breakthrough experiment just showed it might be possible. Researchers in Japan used CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing to remove extra chromosome 21 from Down syndrome cells. The result, cells began to function more normally, showing reduced stress and restored gene patterns. While still in the lab, this is a major leap toward future therapies that could address the root cause of Down syndrome. That's a wrap up on the today's Rainbow Race, from cutting edge autism research to breakthroughs in Down syndrome, and from inclusive schools to accessible technology. The future is brighter than ever for the disability community. If today's stories inspired you, hit that like button and subscribe for more positive news. Drop a comment and tell us which story meant the most to you, or share your own story of progress and hope. Remember, every breakthrough starts with a possibility, and together we are building a more inclusive world. Until next time, keep shining those rainbow rays of positivity. The best news is yet to come. Thank you very much for watching. See you next week.